like a toe in a breathing toe. It's going faster. He's slowly going. Still. We'll stop this. Still going.
Uh-oh, he's about to go down another steep part.
Might make it in the gutter. But last time he got stopped
Oh no.
in the gutter. Might get stopped again.
Oh, there it is.
Well, you gotta go a lot faster if you want to. Set, go. Looks like Dragonoid takes the W. He's going that way now. Oh, God. Look at that perfect parking. 2, 1. Oh, my zombie's in the fire. He's going backwards. He's going backwards.
Still racing.
Zombie wins. What is this?
That's
That doesn't
cheating.
count. I know, it doesn't count. He's probably not gonna make it though. Maybe 4.
The other one stopped at the grass.
He's barely still going. He's gonna stop. 2, 1.
El Toto Loco.
No, it's not.
Look at him go.
I'm just gonna make him go so.
This is cheating.
That's cheating.
I was just doing it because like all of them used to go.
He's gonna win.
Cheating.
He didn't really win.
I know.
El Toto
They
Loco.
all win different places though.
El Toro Loco wins.
I know. Wait, no?
Yeah.
Look. Zombie. Zombie won.
No.
Yes, he did.
El Toto Loco is further.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is. No, that was terrible.
That was not.
You're wrong, Wake.